crying little.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lizzie. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I wanted to update you guys while I kind of did my makeup here, so we'll kind of get ready together this morning. Oh, I need my moisturizer. Wait, no, I already put it on. I'm good. I'm gonna start off by throwing on a little sunscreen for my face because I am not trying to get wrinkles at age 30. I have a lot to do today. I am moving in 2 days. It's crazy to me, and it's a little lame because I can't move into my place right away. I'm actually going to be staying with a friend, but during those few days that I'm staying with her, my boyfriend and I are going to be doing some furniture shopping, so maybe I'll take you guys along on that in this vlog, or that may be in the next vlog. This one is going to be me moving out of my current place, cleaning up, and kind of like getting my life together in a sense. I actually have to take a final today for my art history class, so that's gonna just be sprinkled in. Oh, I wanted to let you know I already did my skincare, and I kind of showed my skincare in my last video, my night routine, but I didn't really go in depth into the products that I used. So if you guys want to see kind of a more in-depth skincare routine or how I cleared my acne, because I definitely did clear my acne recently, then let me know in the comments down below. I would love to make that for you. I may wait until I move into my new place just because the bathroom is a lot bigger and it would be easier to make that video. So my game plan today is I'm actually going to start doing the kitchen. I already took down a lot of the wall art and stuff, so like as you can see, my wall is bare. Oh, don't mind my really ghetto curtain. I think I'm actually gonna get a curtain rod and a curtain in my next place. Yeah, it's just so weird seeing this place bare, you know, because I've just made so many memories here. It's time to move on. I should probably throw a little powder on. I don't know, you might be wondering why I'm doing my makeup when I'm gonna like literally clean and pack today, but doing my makeup, even if I'm not going anywhere, just kind of motivates me to have a more productive day. I might even put jeans on today so I really get some shit done, but we'll see. Probably sweatpants. Also, the school year is coming up, which is exciting. Sorry, I need really have to focus when I'm doing my eyebrows because they can get messed up so easily. One done. Now I look more interested in what you have to say. I have to practice not looking in the viewfinder because I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you face to face, you know? Not slightly to the like right or left of you. I hope you feel listened to in my videos. I don't know. Obviously I'm the only one talking, so how can you be listened to? I respond to all of the comments. If you want to say something to me or even just start a little conversation with me, then definitely comment down below. I love reading your guys' comments. Like, it's such like someone watched my video and took the time to write me a little note. It's like heartwarming to read comments. Ooh, I think I'm gonna outline my eyebrows today. That just adds like just a... Sorry, this brush is a little dirty, but I use like this flat brush for it, and I just put a little bit on. I might actually do this off camera because I'm gonna have to focus a lot, so 1 second. Okay, so I finished the rest of my makeup off camera. I know. If you guys want a everyday makeup routine, then let me know. I don't know if you do or not because my makeup is really basic and simple, but that's just the look. So I won't lie, I spent the last 30 minutes taking a thumbnail picture, maybe for this video and for my video yesterday, just because I didn't really like the thumbnail. But anyways, this is my outfit. Okay. Anyways, so this is my outfit. Yeah, I'm not wearing jeans. Nope, not happening. So I just am wearing this like sports bra tank top and these Gymshark sweatpants. I love these sweatpants. They're so freaking comfortable. I need to eat some food. I'm getting a little hangry. It's like noon already and I haven't done any packing or cleaning. So if you're wondering why I procrastinate everything, I'm also wondering that.
My mind is playing tricks. I'm in the in-between.
fighting over my head like a dead living, getting creep, getting out of my grave, cause my life I wanna keep, getting out of my grave, cause my life I wanna keep.
Okay guys, so as you can see, my room is pretty bare. I just have that big mirror and then the stuff on my desk. Oh, that's my underwear and stuff. These drawers are really full, so I think I'm going to pack up all of this.
Dead living, getting out of his grave. The only thing allowed is to consume life by living, and dead living in the end.
Okay, why do I have so many freaking socks, dude? I don't even wear half of these. Okay, so that actually took no time at all. I made a lot of progress really quickly. So all of this is packed. All 3 of these drawers are now packed. This is like my underwear and stuff, so I'm not going to show that. Hey guys, I'm sitting on the floor of my closet right now, and I'm going to pack up some of my shoes, and I have a little pro tip, packing tip for you for shoes. Put them in a garbage bag. And that will save your clothing from getting all the shoe particles, dirt on your clothing, so you're welcome.
You leaned in closer, I should have kissed you. Your hair was longer, I pulled away from it and moved to the city, over the Tappan Zee Bridge. You like the colors.
So it's been a little while since I've updated you guys. It is, I don't even know, I keep looking, my clock used to be there. It's about 4 o'clock right now. I just finished my art final. I did not want to do it at all. No part of me wanted to do it, but it's done now. It's getting a little crappy outside, so I might just continue packing and just cleaning. So I'll take you guys along with the rest of the stuff I do today. I'm not sure how much more I'll get done today, but I will take you along with whatever I do.
I think I know you. I was here before the start of the storm. It's all around you now. You're coming back. Now you're coming back.
I knew this was somewhere.
What is it?
The sugar, I knew it was here.
You heard it here, he knew it. Packing up the kitchen right now. And then this is how my bedroom is looking. Definitely had to leave my lights up until last second. I like having those at night. But I've got kind of just miscellaneous stuff in here, just my bedroom stuff, my towels, my tapestries. And I've got a big suitcase packed here. And then everything is out of all of these drawers, including the desk and this drawer. So yeah, we're looking pretty good. Alright, so I just got back from a really awesome bike ride, and my boyfriend and I are going to get some pizza and fries from one of our favorite places in town. So I will show you the delicious food when it arrives, but I think I'm pretty much done packing for the day, but I will let you know if I do anything else. I'm very happy with the amount that we got done today. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks so good. It looks so good. Hey guys, it's day 2 of moving and kind of my moving out vlog. I just got a little bit of coffee and had a bagel, and now it is time to clean. I just actually cleaned the microwave. I didn't film it though. It did happen. But yeah, I will take you guys along with my day. Okay, sorry I haven't filmed a lot today, but I wanted to give you guys a little progress update. So this is my room. It just has some clothing in it, and then pretty much everything is out. This is all the stuff I'm gonna like pack in my overnight bag. And yeah, we're looking pretty empty. Okay, I'm so sorry. I've been the worst at updating the camera today or even taking clips, but we did load a bunch of stuff into my car and we are leaving tomorrow. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even feel real. Like we're packing up TVs and computers and all that good stuff right now. So yes, I'm so happy to be going. I've been filled with a lot of energy today and it's all like very positive, excited, like just good energy today. It is so gross under there.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around.
Hey guys, it is day 3 of moving. I am not gonna take my sunglasses off because I look absolutely ratchet right now. I didn't even brush my hair, nothing. And I am in line at Starbucks and the line is super long. And I'm exhausted. I got maybe like a spicy 4 hours of sleep last night and it's just not what I needed the day before I moved states. But I will update you guys throughout the day when I can, and I'm so tired.
Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna.
What's up, gang? This is Brianna. She's been helping us move this whole time. Ooh, my hair, why is it so we're almost done and we're tired and we're sweaty. So that's what's pretty much going on here. Do you have anything you want to say to the people?
Hi.
Perfect. Hey guys, what's up? Coming to you from Colorado right now. I'm at my friend's apartment. And sorry I keep looking over, I think there's like a million people over there. But it is Sunday, we're gonna go to Ikea today and get some furniture, and we move in 2 days, but we're trying to move in as early as we can because all of our stuff is in our cars right now. But yeah, I will take you along with the day of shopping for decor and furniture, and yeah, I hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far. It's been a crazy process, so I am excited to finally move in here. Soon-ish, like soonish. We each bought Nespresso machines and it came with so much coffee.
She was living in summer. Flowers in her hair. No one ever loved her.
Successful day of shopping. So we got a mattress and this is part of our couch that is so freaking cute. I'll put a picture here or I'll just show you when it's set up.
These days, it's not easy.
Got on my phone and your phone.
Oh, it's so much online.
It's not easy. Cause you say you don't need me.
I can't believe this is our new place. The view of the horses. Giant bathtub. I cannot believe we live here. Hey guys, so I realized I never really made an outro for this video. It is obviously a little bit later and I have some decor up. Don't look, I will show you in the next video. But I just wanted to end this video on a little bit more of a formal note and let you guys know that I am so excited to be living here. Literally, I look around every second and I really don't feel like I deserve to live in such a beautiful apartment. Look out for my next video, which will be my first weekend in my new apartment. And I am so excited for you guys to come along on this journey with me. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna explore Denver together as soon as COVID chills out, of course. But if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I come out with videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and I know I skipped last week. It was just really hectic with moving and everything, so I just wanted to let you guys know I will be getting back on that consistent schedule as of right now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to watch the next one and I will see you guys soon. Bye.